Hello, my name is Alexander John, and I want to teach you how to start building a list for absolutely free. There's no more excuses. Building a list is super essential in your online business. So let me help you just to get started, just to maybe give you some ideas or just to follow along in this video and actually do step by step what I did. So here we go. Let's start. First, you need something to give away. Of course, you need something to give away for free, so they actually will give you their name and email. You have to give them a reason to, otherwise they're, not going to do it. So let's go to Resell Rights Fortune, sorry.com. There'll be a link in the description. And some of your trolls will be like, well, Alex, that's your affiliate link. Well, yes, that's how the world goes round. Congratulations, you caught me. My affiliate link's down in the bottom. Cry me a river. All right. So you can get free resale right ebooks almost anywhere, and all you have to do is type it in Google. Let me prove it to you. Oh, there we go. All right, free resale rights ebooks. There we go. Ebooks, and all of a sudden, right here, there we go. We just found a free spot to download free resale rights. So there we go. So there's no excuse why you don't, I mean, obviously you can buy resale rights, but you can also get it for free. So there's no excuse. This is all for free, what I'm showing you guys, what I've done, okay? And here's the end result, by the way. Here's the end result. And it looks just like a normal squeeze page, doesn't it? Looks great. I've had great results with this. This one, and also this one, as another example. And both examples will be in the description. So it's kind of a dual purpose. Maybe you'll opt in here. I don't know. So yeah, so it looks great. It looks like a normal squeeze page. And that's exactly what we want it to look like. Nothing too complicated. So we're at resellrightsfortune.com, and we choose a category of our niche, right? Down in right here in the category section. I highlighted everything, but right here I'm moving around. And so here we go. We got this ebook right here, just to save us time. I don't want to waste time. And so we have giveaway rights. Remember to check the rights on the site, and always read your rights about your ebooks. Otherwise, you could get in some big trouble. So yeah, just so you know. So let's download it. And here we go. I'm going to just save it to desktop. It's going to take a little bit. So just remember that. And then since we have our free ebook giveaway, we need an autoresponder, right? We need something to shoot emails to people that to say, hey, this is your free ebook, because we're not going to do it ourselves every single day, because that would just be painful, right? And so we're going to need a free autoresponder. And here's a good autoresponder. It's just jvmarketers.com. And once again, I'll have the link in the description. And yes, it is my affiliate link. Get over yourself. And so what it looks like is right here. The reason why it's free is because they have so many advertisements everywhere. But that's fine. Whatever. It doesn't really matter. It's still functionable. It's still great to use. And there are downsides, obviously, because it's free. Obviously, there's advertisement. There's one advertisement in the email that just says sign up for, free autoresponder. But other than that, it's pretty good. I use it, so it's cool. And so yes, we have the ebook. Great. And what we're going to do is take this ebook. And what usually happens within these ebooks, okay? Here we go. Squeeze page. What usually happens is they give you a template to make a squeeze page. So it's easy. So you have your cover, you have your header, so much of a header, But usually they just give it to you. And this, I don't know what that is, whatever. Don't pay attention to that. They give you, sometimes they give you backgrounds. I don't know, but they usually give you, you know, things to set up your squeeze page with, which is nice. And they actually have a sales page too, which is probably more in depth. So yeah, so you have all the tools for you, right, to set up your squeeze page. And how do you set it up? How do you align it? You don't have any fancy picture editing software. That's fine. Just use Paint, guys. Just use Paint. It's so easy. I have 2 paints open up. Open up 2 paints, and I'll tell you why. Let me tell you why. Because let me get a photo out here. Because to import all the photos to one paint, this is how I do it. I might be wrong to do this, but this is just how I do it. So don't give me any crap for this. This is just how I do it. Like I said, we're gonna open up the file, the photo file, and that's a check mark. Okay, whatever. It doesn't matter. So, but we want another photo here, and this is how I know how to do it. I open up a new paint because I have 2 paints opened up, right? And then I click and open a new folder, a new picture. I right click, I copy it, then I paste it on the other one. Does that make sense? Because there's the check mark and here's that. And so what you want to do is keep it simple. Just make a squeeze page how they made it in here. You know what I mean? Usually they have examples and stuff. Use that template to do it because they know what they're doing, and you know I don't. And well, I do know, but you know, just use their template like I did here. I use their template, make it super simple, really easy to read, and all you have to do is put it in your blog. I'm going to show you that. So we're done with the photo, right? You may think maybe that looks like this. You do have the opt-in yet. You do not have the opt-in yet. What I'm highlighting, okay? You have to sign up for the free autoresponder to get this, okay? And yeah, so once you have something like this, let me show you what to do from there. Okay, so I'm going to open up this, open up Blogger. We're going to create a blog now. I'm going to call it whatever. It doesn't really matter what I'm calling it, but it will matter what you're calling it. So call it something, whatever's in your niche. Just call it that. And doesn't really matter what template. You just need that photo, you know, that photo in there. So let's do this. I got an idea. Save it your ass. You know what? I'm going to alright, here we go. Sorry this is slow, guys. Sorry this is slow. But let's just open up any ordinary file. This is what you're gonna open up. You're gonna open up the picture that you just made, the kind of the squeeze template that you just made off of Paint. To save some time, I'm just gonna do this. Now, normally, what usually happens with blog pictures is you click it, and it gets really annoying. Click it, and it actually goes to the picture, just the picture itself, in a separate like web page thing, and it's super annoying. And so I'm going to teach you really quick how to like hyperlink it. Actually, next video I'll teach you how to hyperlink it. It's pretty cool. So you have your squeeze page template. You know, pretend this is my squeeze page template, and what we're going to do after that is we're going to sign up here, blah blah blah. You know, do a little autoresponder series. Make sure you know where to host the ebook, and I could teach you that next video. I'm going to teach you next video how to host an ebook for free, so you guys are just going to send them there or whatnot. But what you're going to do is get the code, and you can add last name, address, city, but you know, you want to make it as simple as possible for people to get this ebook. Excuse me, I just burped. It sounded gross on the mic. And what you're going to do, essentially, you don't want the word submit to be a button. Like what I've done here is send me it now. Do you see that? You might see it, but the button right here says send me it now. And you do have to do a little editing in HTML. Don't worry, I'm going to teach you it. On the bottom, it's gonna say this. It's gonna say form table TRTD, and then just above that, it's gonna say value equals, in quotations, it's gonna say submit. Value equals quotation submit, and you're gonna change that submit to send me it now. Okay? You can do it all capital letters. Send me it now with an exclamation point. Okay? You want to call the action button. Okay? Instead of just boring submit. Okay. Then what we're going to do is we have our template, right? We have our squeeze page template. Probably arrows pointing down to where we want the the opt-in, like I've done right there. And you're going to go to Edit HTML, and you're going to paste the code in there, and then you're going to publish the post. You can view it and stuff and preview it, but this is just my time. And so what essentially happens, you can easily, I'm not going to show you how to edit Blogger because it's the easiest thing in the world, but essentially you can get rid of the sidebar, you can get rid of the title, you can get rid of this thing right here. I'll show you how to get rid of this thing too in another video tutorial. Super easy stuff, but there is your little template right here, and here's your opt-in list, and you can start getting emails. To remember, follow they have, because they know what they're doing and you don't. So not to say don't, I don't want to say that, but I did, so do it. And yeah, you have a nice little squeeze page for free using Blogger and a free autoresponder system. And it works. It's cool. It works. And just start spreading it around Twitter and stuff, and there you go. Next video, I'm going to show you, because Blogger, when you click the photo, it goes out there, and that's so annoying. I'm going to show you in another video tutorial how to just hyperlink it to the web page itself, so it doesn't do anything type of thing. Just pretty much just refreshes the page. Can't really do anything about it. So I'm going to teach you that next tutorial. But just remember the steps, rewind it, and go through it again. And the links are in the description of the examples and stuff. And I really hope this helps. No more excuses, okay? Start building a list today. Even if you don't have any money, you can build a list for free. And I just showed you how to build a list for free. So there's no more excuses. So yeah, good luck, guys. I'll see you in another video tutorial. And my phone is ringing. Alright, perfect timing. Alright, guys. See you later. I'll talk to you soon.